This is Sole.
Hello, my name's Chris. What's your name?
My name is Sole.
How old are you, Sole?
I'm 11 years old.
Look at these pictures. They look the same, but some things are different. Here there are 3 trees, but here there are 2 trees. What other different things can you see?
In the first picture there is a different, is a cloudy, but in the second is a sunny.
Very good.
In the first picture is brown, but in the second is green.
Good.
In the first is standing, but it isn't. And in the first picture there are two ducks, but near the car. But in the second picture there is a 2 ducks aren't near the car.
Very good, Sole. These pictures show a story. It's called The Clever Dog. Look at the pictures first. Holly and John are playing table tennis in the garden. The baby and the dog are there too. Mum's saying, "Please watch the baby for me." Now, you tell the story.
While John and Ollie are playing the table tennis, the baby is going near the tree, and the dog look the baby.
Okay.
After the mom doesn't watch the baby, and the dog finds the baby, and the family is happy.
Very good, Sole. Now, look at these 4 pictures. One is different. The book is different. A lemon, a pineapple, and an orange are fruit. You eat them. You don't eat a book. You read it. Now, you tell me about these pictures. Which one is different?
The first, the third, and the fourth are cooking.
Good.
The first, the second, and the fourth is eating, but the third is drinking. They are in a supermarket, but she is in a bus station.
Very good, Sole. Now, let's talk about your family. How many people are there in your family?
The people in my family is 6.
Okay. Who's the oldest in your family? Is your dad the oldest?
Yes.
What do you like doing with your family?
I play with cards.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, with my sister.
Tell me about your mother.
My mother, um, my mother,
What's your mother's name?
my mom, my mom's name is Susie, and she is
Is she tall or short?
tall.
Okay, thank you, Sole. Goodbye.
Goodbye.